Actually, I just talked with Jerick Silva about Paulo Cua, Rashid Ali, my classmate from CDIFI. Eh, you don't know Rashid Ali. You see the videos of Teacher May, oh, and Ibet, Crystal Dulce Jurado, oh. You don't know who is Rashid Ali, oh. Eh, Rashid Ali is not foreigner. He's a Filipino. That's why I said I met Rashid Ali when I was there with the class of Teacher Lendel. Alright, I just wanna tell you something. When I was with Teacher Lendel, I still remember Rashid Ali. Magkilala kami. I know we know each other. I never be friends in Facebook. Oh, I just saw in the YouTube of Crystal Dulce Jurado. Oh, you remember Joshua Arroyo? Remember Jericho Peralta? Oh, I was there. You know when I was in the 4R group or 3R group. In 3R, Ralph Guevara was with Teacher May. Even Paulo Cruzada, my arch enemy. I still remember Rashid Ali. Kakilala ko yan, that's why. He's a Filipino Muslim. He's a classmate in CDIFI. Remember that. Oh, I know Rashid Ali. And guys, I told to my parents, don't disgrace the Muslims. You know Al Ryan, no? Al Ryan that was a student of Teacher Vincent. Oh, he's a Muslim. Oh, he's a classmate uh, of who's that? Jude Goles. Oh, you still remember Rashid Ali? You know, when the time I was there in CDIFI, I have a photo from Lial. Oh, here's me. Oh, here's who's that person? Here was Joshua Arroyo. Oh, since years of Luis Cabales, kakilala ko yan si Rashid Ali. I know. While I was with Jens Manaid. Oh, I was with Jens Manaid. I was with Wawel Romero. This picture, who wear as Superman in Halloween, is Rashid Ali. Oh, you know that. Kakilala ko yan. He's from CDIFI. Oh, he knows me. Oh. Yeah, you know what? All of my friends, you don't know who were my classmates in CDIFI, schoolmates. Or you remember? I thought my parents remember Louis Texon. No, you should still remember Bruce Altabas. Oh, you still remember Rashid Ali. You remember Dino Ongson. Oh, the classmate there. You remember Wawel. Oh, I still remember Wawel or Buddy Castro. We have to still remember our former classmates. Oh, just like I said, when Buddy Castro said, oh, dapat maalala mo ang mga dating kaklase. That's why we have to remember. We have still remember to us. You know, as we are having reunion as a friend, we should still remember. Like me, when I say, like me, oh, I know everyone, oh. But David Gill, I never met him when I was in CDIFI. Oh, I didn't know him, oh. Okay, let me ask you something. When is the time I started to study in CDIFI? Oh, long time ago. Oh, 2003 until 2020. For almost 17 years. Oh, Lawrence Villawan and I were still there. And Jens was still there. Oh. And you know what is really, oh, you remember the time. Rashid Ali, oh, he's in Zamboanga, oh. He's a Filipino Muslim. He's a special child, oh. He's my friend. I know, we are close friends. If you watch a video of Ibet Turado, you see Rashid Ali. Oh, he was alongside with Sir William Ducot. Oh, you know him. I mean, I tell to my parents, I know Rodan Kayabyab. I know Mark Joshua Pasione. Oh, I know them. Oh, Rashid Ali, he was a student of Teacher Jenny. When Teacher Jessa Fernandez was there, he was with Teacher Jenny. You remember Stefan Pimentel, oh, Jericho Peralta, oh, you know who are they? Like me, I know Jericho Peralta. Magkilala kami, oh, that's why, in 2009, when Teacher May upload this YouTube, my arch enemy, Teacher May Tiburcio, he uploaded in my YouTube. Oh, he uploaded in YouTube, and I said, she uploaded the YouTube. Oh, that's a reason. But for me, I never criticize anyone. I know it's Rashid Ali. You don't know who is this guy was. For me, we have to still remember the CDIFI former schoolmate and classmates. Oh, we should still remember. But David Gill is not my schoolmate in CDIFI. We are still different school. David Gill is in CDIFI while me, I was in Caloocan Evangelical School.